So today's video is brought to you by my very own coffee, Just a Dad Simple Sip Coffee. It's available in a K-Cup, whole bean, and pre-ground 16-ounce bag. You can find it at justadadcoffee.com, or right underneath the video, you will see the products displayed and you click on them and purchase them right there. Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on the Shark Rocket Vacuum Cleaner. Here I've got a really big mess on carpet. We're going to see how it cleans up here on carpet and on hardwood floors. Okay, so another nice feature about this vacuum cleaner is the wand release is foot operated. It's not a button you got to bend down and press. You can use your foot and now you can release the wand, add an attachment, do some cleaning, put the attachment back. Also on this brush head, there is an indicator light here. It's going to be either green or red. If it's red, something's wrong. If it's flashing or solid, it means you either have a blockage or it's not turning at the proper speed. So make sure that that brush roller is green, and then that means you're operating at the proper speed. Okay, so I thought it did a really good job on carpet. Let's go try hardwood floors. Okay, so I'm going to put it in the hardwood floor position, which is the first position. Okay, so again, on hardwood floors, I was in the first position, which is for hardwood floors. This turns at a lower speed. You still have the same suction. On carpet, I went to the second position, which the brush turns really fast and still has the same suction. So again, this did a really good job. Let's go over to the trash can. You're just gonna open this up. Everything comes out. And again, I can take this whole thing out and clean it at a later time. But there, it did a really good job of picking everything up. I'm pretty impressed with this. This is pretty powerful. I love that it has the wand release down at the foot. Again, when you're ready to store it, there's a little hook right here. Hook it, wrap the cord around, and you can store it and it doesn't take up a lot of room. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching. So thanks everybody for watching my video today. Underneath the video, if you could hit the thumbs up button, that really helps out my YouTube channel. Again, you can purchase all this coffee right below the video. You'll see links to them, or go to justadadcoffee.com. I really do appreciate everybody's support. Recently, YouTube just sent me my 100,000 subscriber plaque. That would not be possible without everybody's support. So again, I really appreciate it. I'm excited for this new adventure, branding my own coffee. It tastes really good, and I hope you're gonna definitely like it. Again, hoping somebody asks you what your favorite cup of coffee is. It's Just a Dad Simple Sip Coffee. And again, thanks so much for watching the YouTube channel. Also, be sure and check out my Just a Dad Videos group page on Facebook. This is where I do my free giveaways. So when I'm done with my products, I do a free giveaway on there, and you can kind of see behind the scenes of how I make my videos. Also, check out my podcast, Coffee with Dad Podcast. This is where I interview different people. I love to hear everybody's story, and I just think everybody has a story they want to tell. Hit the like, hit the subscribe button, and thanks so much. Miss Fiona always knows when I'm doing a recording.